Nakita ko po yung listahan ng invited resource persons. Hindi po ba man natin inimbitahan si Mayor Benji Magalong?
Not for this hearing, Your Honor.
Pero iimbitahan po ba siya sa susunod na pagdinig?
At the future hearing,
Hindi, sa next hearing?
we have to discuss it.
Because nandito po kanina si Bante, siya po yung nagsabi na wag naman akusahan yung house at pangalanan kung sino yung tinutukoy. At pumayag naman po si Mayor Magalong na tukuyin pag siya ay inimbitahan ng house kung sino yung tinutukoy niya na pinakamalaki ang nakukuha na 20%. So ang tanong ko po, bakit pa po hindi imbitahan kaagad ng committee para malaman na po natin kung sino yung tinutukoy niya, Mr. Chair?
I think we have a commitment that we will invite him. But the commitment is not on the next hearing. Kasi marami po tayong pag-usapan. In fact, gusto natin isa-isahin yung mga Sims construction, hindi yung nagpakita. St. Timothy, hindi yung nagpakita. Ito yung alam ng mga tao na gustong malaman yung katotohanan. So, ibig sabihin, we are united with Mayor Magalong on his commitment against corruption, for him to name the 67 lawmakers, no question. But he will be required in this committee to do it under oath. State 67 lawmakers who are contractors first. Second, lawmakers who are allegedly receiving 30 to 40% kickback. That will come in due time. That is the commitment of this committee.
Hindi, kasi sa sinasabi niya, ang pinakamalaking nakukuha ay yung Committee on Appropriations. So hindi pa ba mas mabuting i-address na po natin? Kasi nandiyan po, si Congressman Abante, nadinig ko po yung interview nyo, sabi niyo po, dapat pangalanan po ni Mayor Magalong. So ayaw niyo bang mag-present ng motion na imbitahan na siya kaagad para pangalanan na rin po niya? At sinabi naman po niya na willing naman po siyang imbitahan.
Congressman Avante, you're being asked.
Should I make the motion now?
Better, Mr. Chair, to show na talagang seryoso tayong imbitahan siya.
Palagay ko,
I just have one.
Mr. Chair,
Before speaking, I have one question lang po to Congressman Chaco. Is this part of your interpellation or what is this? Okay. All right.
It's part of my 5 minutes, Mr.
Okay,
Chair.
all right.
And after this, I will have no further questions because this will be my basis of seeing if talagang may pupuntahan tong committee na to o wala. Kung ayaw natin imbitahan si Mayor Magalong sa agarang panahon, magkakaproblema tayo sa credibility niyan.
But I think we have to state for the record as well that in many public forums, Mayor Magalong has labeled the committee as merely a Moro-Moro committee. So I think the public should look at that as well.
Yes, Mr. Chair, pero sinabi niya, kahit tinawag niyang moro-moro, sinabi naman niya na willing siya magtumarap, di ba? Di tingnan natin kung haharap siya pag inimbitahan natin.
I think...
Mr. Chair, point of order.
Yes, please.
I think we should be sensitive regarding the word moro-moro. May we delete the words because I think it was Kong Zia, who is a Muslim. It was, I think, an affront to the Muslim community.
Yes, I understand it, but that was the exact statement of Mayor Magalong, labeling the committee as Moro-Moro. We will not remove it from the record, but because that is what he had labeled the committee.
Mr. Chair, just coming it from the members of the committee and saying that it is moro-moro, I think it's quite personal on the part of the members of the committee. But anyway, I will abide by the decision of this committee. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Congressman Santos. Again, would you want to respond to
Mr. Chair,
Congressman Chanco, please?
there's no problem in making a motion, but as you made a promise to me, Mr. Chair, that one day Mayor Magalong will be invited, why don't we just finish the hearing right now? We still have a lot of contractors that are waiting to be investigated, to be interpolated. So why don't we wait? Why don't we finish this first before anything else? Bakit natin ginugulo itong hearing na ito? Samantala marami naman naghihintay dyan ng mga contractors na very much willing to be interpolated.
Right. Thank you for your response. Congressman Chanco, please.
No further question.
Thank you, Congressman Chanco. Next to interpolate is Chairman Joel Chua. You may proceed.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. My question will be, I would like to address my question to our resource person, Engineer Henry Alcantara. May I know if he is present? Okay. May I know if nag-take na po ba siya ng oath?
Yes,
Nakapag-take na po ba kayo ng oath?
Mr. Alcantara has taken his oath.
Okay,
You may
thank you.
proceed with the questions, Chairman Chu.
Thank you. Mr. Alcantara, are you an engineer by profession?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. Taga saan po kayo, Mr. Alcantara?
I'm from Bulacan po.
Saan po
Your
sa
Honor,
Bulacan?
Mr. Chair.
Saan po sa Bulacan?
I'm from Bukawi, Bulacan po.
Bukawi. Pwede ko po bang malaman kung kailan at kung saan po kayo nagtapos ng inyong engineering course?
Graduated from University of Santo Tomas po.
UST.
Yes po, Your Honor.
So kayo po, kailan po kayo nagsimulang magtrabaho sa DPWH?
1994 po, Your Honor.
19.
94.
Ano pong unang posisyon na hinawakan po ninyo?
I was nagsimula po ako, job order. Ang item ko po ay laborer 1, naging laborer 2, naging engineer 1. Every 6 months po because I was a casual employee at that time.
So at present po, ano po ang inyong posisyon ngayon?
Before po ako ma-relieve, I was appointed as OIC, Assistant Regional Director sa Region 4A po.
AR
ARD, Assistant Regional Director po.
sa Region
4A po.
4A. Pero bago po ito, ano po yung naging posisyon po ninyo?
I was a former District Engineer Bulacan First, DEO.
First District.
Yes po, Your Honor.
So sako po ninyo yung Baliwag at saka yung Kalumpit.
Yes, Your
Tama po
Honor.
ba? Ah. So bago bilang district engineer, ano po yung inyong scope of work?
Ang scope of work po ay to manage and implement the projects po. Manage po. More on management, sir.
So kasama po ba dito yung pagpaplano?
Yes, sir. But there's sections involved in the planning po.
Okay, so hanggang sa pagre-release po ng pondo, tama po ba?
Up to the payment. Yes, Your Honor.
Up to the payment.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you po. So nasa kapangyarihan po ninyo yung pagpaplano, pagbabudget, saka pagbabayad. Tama po ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you po. So, Mr. Chair, pwede ko po bang ipakita dito yung, ito po, yung Department Order number 42, kung saan nakalagay po dito yung trabaho po ng District Engineer. Ayan po, nakalagay po dito na the District Engineer of the following District Engineering Office are authorized to approve plans, POW, and ano ba yung POW?
Program of Works, Your Honor.
Program of Works, and ABC. Ano po yung ABC?
Approve budget for the contract.
Ano ba?
Approve budget for the contract.
Approve body,
Budget.
approve budget of the contract, as well as procure and implement project costing 100 million pesos. Now, ito pong 100 million pesos, di po ba tinaas na po ito?
Yes, Your Honor. It's,
So magkakano na po ang threshold na hawak po ninyo?
150 million po. Yes, sir.
So 150. So meaning to say, lahat ng project na worth 150 million pababa, kayo po ang nagre-release ng pondo. Tama po ba yun?
Hindi po kami ang nag-release, Your Honor. I mean, nagbabayad po sa project kami
Kayo
po.
po yung nagbabayad. Tama
Yes,
po?
Your Honor.
Alright. Sige, tama po. Okay. So, siyempre po, habang ito pong project ay ginagawa, kasama po sa trabaho ninyo, ang inspeksyonin yung nasabing proyekto. Tama po ba?
Your Honor, somehow, nag-inspect po ako ng project.
Somehow.
Ganito po, if I may allow to explain,
Yes, please.
Your Honor.
Pakipaliwanag po sa amin.
Meron po kasing project in charge. Meron po tayong project engineer in charge of the implementation of the project. Meron po tayong section implementing the projects. They are the sections implementing all the projects, Your Honor.
Pero lahat ng project dapat tinitingnan mo rin kahit papaano. Tama
Yes,
po ba?
Your Honor.
Okay, thank you. So, sa dulo, syempre, bago tayo bitaw ng bayad or payment, syempre, meron po dyan tinatawag na final inspection. Tama po ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. So, ginagawa mo rin po ba itong final inspection bago ka magbayad?
There is a team that's assigned to be the inspectorate team. They are the one who will inspect the project po, composed of the different section chiefs, and as head of the inspectorate team is the assistant district engineer, Your Honor.
Okay. Engineer, may pakikita po ko sa inyo, Department Order Number 99. Ito po. Dito po nakalagay po dito, the certificate of completion shall be issued by the District of Engineer in the case of project implemented by the District Office. So, sino po nag-i-issue ng certificate of completion? Kayo po?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. So, bakit po kayo mag-i-issue ng certificate of completion kung hindi po ninyo in-inspection ito? Na
Your
ito
Honor.
pong project na to ay tapos na.
Your Honor, it is the attachment of the certificate of completion is based on the certificate of final inspection conducted by the team.
So, ang ibig po ninyo sabihin, nagbe-base lang kayo ng pag-i-issue nyo ng certificate of completion base sa attachment at hindi po base sa inspection na ginawa po ninyo.
Yes, Your Honor, because I presume
So, lahat po ganun na ginawa ninyo? Kahit na isa, wala po kayong tinignan?
meron naman, Your Honor.
Meron naman.
Yes, Your Honor.
So is it safe to say na, siyempre, dahil tinitignan ninyo yan, pag nakita ninyong kumpleto, i-release niyo yung certificate of completion. Pag may nakita naman po kayong defect, hindi muna ninyo i-release yung certificate of completion at patatawag ninyo yung contractor para remedyohan to at ayusin. Tama po ba?
Your Honor, the process po I just want to explain po, Your Honor. Meron po kaming team na nagva-validate doon po sa mga defects po na bago po inspeksyonin ng final inspection team, sila muna po ang magbabalidate po ng mga defects if ever meron po.
So hindi po ninyo tinitignan lahat.
Hindi, Your Honor, hindi po. Because
So basta issue lang kayo, naniniwala kayo dun sa papel na binigay sa inyo na kompleto, kaya mag-i-issue na lang kayo.
yes, Your Honor, there is a presumed regularity of the documents presented to me, Your Honor.
Okay, sige, pagbibigyan po kita dyan.